Right.
How to apply this? I tell you. Okay. Subtraction means 3
Minus
2 is equal to 1.
1. Yeah.
Multiplication means 2
2 into 2.
22 is equal to 4. Division means, what is the mean division?
4. 4 divided by 2 is equals to
4
2.
divided by 2 is equal to 2. What is the mean float? Float
Percentage.
is percentage, correct? Like 3 divided by 2 is equal to
1.5.
1.5 is a 5
Yeah.
is a 5.5 is float value.
Yeah.
Float value. Now you understood this, okay? Now I'm talking about this equal. Okay, you have applied already, but still I tell you the equal. What does it mean equal? Let's see. We have this, okay, table. Now I want to use equal. How can we use equal? So we can use where salary, or like I want which one, salary is equal to 50,000.
Yeah.
What does that mean here? Mean this salary, if anyone's salary is of 50,000, should become, what does that mean here? You understood how can you use the equal? It's mean
Yes, yes.
salary column, okay, finding the output whose salary is equal to 50,000. So all we got.
Yeah.
Now let's see what does it mean here. Not equal. How can we use the not equal? Please tell me. It's not equal means I want what we have. First, we have to
Where
understand the data analysis. Okay, I don't want IT department.
yes, where salary is not equal to
Yes, we can use that one as well. Designation not IT. I use different things. Okay, what is the
okay.
mean here? You will display. I mean, SQL will display only those don't belong from IT.
Yes.
All right. Your, okay, you want here like this one, let's see. I can make here. What does it mean here? Not equal to 50. Let's see. It will also work.
Yeah.
What does it mean greater than? Let's see, greater than I can apply here. What does it mean greater than? Salary more than 50,000, or we can make 60,000. 60,
Yeah.
salaries are more than 60,000. You got the
Yeah.
or SQL display. Same.
Yes, I understand now.
I use this. Why I'm, as I told you, I explain this tomorrow. What is the mean here? Less than, that's less than.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is the less than 60,000 salary? So we can use less than symbol.
Only yeah.
What does it mean? Only one candidate who is a less than salary student. Yeah, Bharti. Now,
Yeah.
what does it mean? This is greater than and equal. What is the mean here? Is greater than or equal? What we are getting here, we are getting is more than 60,000 only, right? But I want greater than and equal both. So what is the mean here? Including 60,000 rupees.
Yes.
Let's see. How can we apply?
Yeah, understood.
And if I use this is a less than, what is the mean less than? Please tell me.
Same. Less than or equal to.
Yes.
Less than or
Mean,
equal to
it's mean
70,000.
right. So what is the mean? 60,000 will also
Less than
display.
70,000,
No,
60,000 and 60,000 also. Yeah.
right. 60,000 and less than 60,000 both will display here, right? Because
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, what is mean here is the logical operator. We have to learn the logical operator. What does it mean? And I mentioned both conditions are true. What is the mean
Yeah.
condition true here? And what is the mean here? Salary is 60,000 and what is the mean is employee ID.
Yes.
Employee ID is equal to
101.
102 because
Yeah.
it will
102.
be true.
Yeah. True. Yeah.
Let's see. Because
Yep.
this one is Lakshmi Bharati salary is 60,000 and employee ID is a 102. Both are correct here.
Yes.
Am I right? Now,
Yes.
here's a one condition is true only,
Yes.
or means one condition is true. Let's see what how can we do this. So here I can see here this one. Okay. So here is a both conditions are available.
Yeah.
So I want here one condition true. What is it? Like a 101 has salaries of 50,000.
Yes. First, we have to give or, right? Is it and only?
We will use that sometime. Don't need to worry about it. Am I right?
Okay. Yeah.
1,000, right? The salary is
Yeah.
60,000. What is the mean here? Other employees like a Rahul or Neha or Lakshmi Bharati,
Yes. Yes. I understand.
right?
Yes.
Will not, and if any one kind is true, then query will display output. Let's see.
Yes. Yes. And
How
yeah.
many? Any all the employees?
Yeah.
Whatever 60,000, whatever 50. What does it mean? Is a one employee ID 101 has 50,000? Is that true? The 60
Yes.
is also true. So both conditions, okay, is any one conditions is true in the in table. So all these conditions, okay, will display here, right?
Yeah.
Am I right? Now, what is the reverse condition?
Reverse condition means not true and not false.
Correct. I tell you, reverse conditions means here if I like here, okay, I copy this one. It means not department, sorry, designation is equal to HR.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Right.
So it means it's like a reverse condition.
Yeah.
Let's see. It's same here like I mentioned this not, you can say not one.
Yeah.
This is a reverse condition. You can call
Yes.
instead of writing this, we can make a note. Is a revert like this.
Yes.
Depends on you. How can you use this? Same output.
Yeah.
Now we have a operating string operation, right? Now how can we use? So we have a candidates. Okay, this only one. I can make here one with select employee of this. I copy and paste here, and now what I'm going to do, employee name. What is the name? Is name. I want name start from P.
Okay.
Priya Bharati. What I'm
Yeah.
doing here, I'm going to do a and then is P, and then the symbol percentage is like we call the model. Okay, then let's see what is the mean here. All employees, those start from P words, okay, or P letter. So the SQL will display that employee's name here. or the whole tables. Let's see according like this be. Am I right? Now,
Yeah.
yeah, new one. By mistake, I click on new one. Now, okay. And I'm just executing this one. Okay, so what does it mean? I want from I, like those ending word of the name. Okay, I is I. How can we like use? I give you another example giving you like here is I or maybe capital I. Let's see. How can we do this? I. Let's see how many employee will display here. So how many Priya Bharati, Lakshmi Bharati, Hadi, Ali, Kumari, Nia Kumari, all candidates last letter is I. Am I right?
Yeah.
So you can see all these candidates name here, or I can make wait one can here the different name. Okay, A, let's see. Or R, let's see. A.
Yeah.
What does it mean? Amir Hamza. In Amir Hamza, last letter is A. So already SQL Server display this name.
Yeah.
Now we have another example I give you. I want like a specific word, okay, like this I or A, and like this. This can be also happen, right? What I'm going to do, let's see first what, then I explain it. So this A. Now first we have to understand this. Okay.
Okay, I understand. Like A starting and A last also.
No. Any one A both like this. Neha A is
Okay.
between.
Okay.
I tell you, you can see. What does that mean? Priya has also A. Lakshmi also A. L A K.
Yeah, everybody has A. That's
Ham
why.
A. What I'm going
Yeah.
to do here, instead of the A, I can make a different name. Is uh, D. Let's see. D. What will be output?
Yeah.
I make okay, tell you. I make H. H. So if anywhere H between the words, okay, the letters will display. Okay,
Yes.
many. Uh, I don't want many. I want two of them. So you know how to use this
Yes, sir.
now. Special operators. What does it mean? Special operators.
Special operator, some it uses to just you write there that attach multiple value.
And I can give you one more example. I can. We can use two words as well. Let's see. Two words. KS, right? KS. KNS. Let's see. What is the answer here? Lakshmi is a KS.
Yeah.
Okay, no, the special operators. Okay, it means like we want present like two departments. Okay, so it means use multiple values. Example, let's see. I can use here where designation in IT same. I can make same and HR. Let's see how many. It means it will display only IT and HR
Yeah.
employees.
Yeah.
We can use this like this. If you want between, how to use the between, I already explained. Between means the range, between the range. Let's see. I make here like this and like this, or then the salary. I want salary is equal to or like a between what range you want.
50,000 to 70,000.
50,000 to 70,000. Because all the employees will come. We don't want this. We want few candidates like 60,000. So 60,000 and 70,000. This will work
Yeah.
because I don't want display all the candidates. Or we have one more example. I want on the top one, the 70 to 75. What is the range here? 70,000 to 75,000. How many employees do we have? Amir Hamza, Muhammad Ali. We have three candidates
Yeah.
who are getting 70,000 to 75. So we have a range. Now, what is the null? How can we check the null?
Null means zero.
Sorry.
Null means zero.
Yes. How can we use null?
Same, select star from employees table where uh,
Simple. We can use. What is the mean here is designation is null. We don't have any employee here.
okay.
Whose designation?
Everyone.
No, everyone is. So means what is
Yeah.
here? We got the table schema. Okay, but there's no record.
No.
Am I right? Why? I can check here. Anyone is a zero in every period. No, everyone has the everything, whatever name, whatever phone number, email address, registered salary, gender. Otherwise, I can show this. What does it mean? I have a given example. If anybody is the MBT value, you can use the null in the table. So all these records will present from the table if anyone is the nil or null value or empty value.
Okay.
Am I right?
Yeah.
So we have learned this how to do this, right? Now
Yeah.
what we have to learn? Can I take 5 minutes break so you understood this?
Yeah.
Thank you.